begin by introducing myself. So I'm Kirti Agrawal, a third year undergraduate in the Electrical Engineering department, and I'm presently heading the Career division as well. So let us know something about yourself.
Okay, thanks Kirti for the nice introduction. So I am Vedant Choksi. I graduated IIT Bombay from Mechanical Engineering department, and I have joined Sprinkler as a product analyst in the past August. So just 2 months into the job.
So let us begin with your interview regarding placements. Since it involves great deal of stress and anxiety from the students' end, so let us know how was your placement experience and tell us about it.
Okay, so that's right. Like the placement experience is by default stressful because there's a lot of uncertainty involved, right? I think that's the main topic that we are trying to address over here, uncertainty. Let me just say, why does uncertainty come? Why does it come into this, and why is this period so stressful? Because there are a lot of things that are not in your hands. Like, what are the reasons, what are the factors why a company hires a person? So one of them can be how many people the company is planning to hire, like what is your competition, how does your interview go, how does your friends' interviews go, the competition there. There's so many factors. How is the mood of the interviewer, how is your mood? There's so many factors regarding that you can't control, which is why this whole process becomes uncertain. So focus on those little things, go step by step. Just be sure what you want to do today, then be sure what you want to do tomorrow. Go one step at a time and don't think about what will happen afterwards.
Right. With all the uncertainty involved, and since you said you did not have a particular inclination towards any field, so how did you overcome that, and what exactly was your plan of action?
I didn't have any interview shortlist till 2 days before day one. So what can be more uncertain than that? My friends with very less CPI, above 6, they also had more interview shortlist than me. So I think I can answer this question in regards to my experience. So I didn't get any consult shortlist. I just had aptitude as my strength. So any aptitude test, I was sure that I could, I can crack that for sure. So my experience went like that, and I didn't even have any shortlist on day one. So day two, I had a few companies. I gave an interview for a company that I really prepared for. Like, I think I gave my 100%, and then they didn't choose me. And that time I was very heartbroken that what's happening, and I gave my 100% and all. One another thing I would like to say is that during the resume preparation time, I was so focused on what others had done in their resumes. So I kind of felt bad that I could have done something like that, and it was basically regretting your past, regretting the decisions you have made in the past, that I could have done this, I could have done that, I could have done another internship. But it's really that simple. You have to forget what you have already done. Just focus on what's best for your immediate future.